Awesome DIY 2.0. Sorry, I've been on kind of a hiatus for a little while, but I was just moving. As you can tell, I got the new garage here. I'll give you guys a quick little tour. So this is it. Same 2-car garage, no big deal, but definitely got a little bit more space, a little bit more of a real 2-car garage, I guess, is what some of the family was telling me. But anyways, something's definitely missing, right? I sold the 41. I just had no way of moving that thing. It was going to be a big pain. So it's cool. I sacrificed it. Some guy in Arizona came by and picked it up. So hopefully he turns into something pretty sweet. He said he's going to keep me updated with it. So when I get some pictures and stuff, when it's like fully done, I'll shoot some pictures for you guys. But anyways, so we're back. New project. I probably didn't upload already at this time the last of the Avalanche success story. So anyways, so by the time I have this up, it should be released. But we're going on to a new project anyways, guys. So today we're going to get cracking on the 2002 Cadillac Escalade. So that thing has been notorious since I bought it for leaking oil. And I believe it's the rear main seal. I replaced some little gasket on it right by the oil filter. That when I took it to the transmission shop, they said that was it right there. So they said, if you want to take care of yourself, it's like $5. And it was quick and easy, no big deal. But it still leaks bad. Like literally, when it comes to my 3,000 miles, I have to put like a full quart of oil in it. And it's kind of weird because it's like right as it says I need to check my oil level, it goes right into like another week of like, now you got to change your oil. So it's like, anyways, I could keep doing that over and over and over, you know, and just completely cover my entire new driveway now with oil. I mean, now I'm not an HOA, so I don't have to really worry about that, but I still want to keep my stuff kind of nice. Plus, I'm DIY. It's probably going to cost like $1,000. The part is like $20. Let me show you guys. This is it. This is all I need to keep a quart of oil spilling out every 3,000 miles. Set of gaskets, $20. So that's what we're going to do. The thing about it though is that you got to drop the whole transmission. Never done it before, but it's going to be a good experience because the Avalanche needs a new transmission now. As soon as I replaced the rear end on it, then the transmission started to get really funky. It was already slipping, but now with the 37s on it and a re-geared and everything like that, that transmission is just about to go. So it'll be a good experience, learn on the Caddy, and then become an expert at it when I go and do the Avalanche. So, all right, guys, so let's jump into it. All right, guys. So underneath the Caddy here, took off the starter, and ever since I replaced the cat on the passenger side, I still kept hearing like an exhaust leak or something. And I thought it was due to the exhaust manifold, because there's a busted bolt in there. So yeah, you know, I was like, all right, well, eventually I'll have to fix that down the line. But when I was underneath there doing the starter, guess what I found? You see that? That cat is completely disconnected from the exhaust. So that's going to be something additional I'm going to have to fix as well. I already placed the passenger one, because that one busted off completely when I hit a pothole. But I guess in the process, this one also busted too. So I'm going to fix that too. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, guys, let's get back to it.